So I tried the Leyla Milani extensions when I was in the States. They were at Namie's, and I have been so impressed with the quality of the hair. It just feels hair. It doesn't have like a weird smell when you curl it, which happens with a lot of extensions. And so I've been so obsessed, and we were just about to order more, and she just sent these to me. Thank you so much. And I think these are super long, which makes me really, really happy. So these are 200 grams. What are these? 24 inches. Love that. So I'm really, really excited. I've just had such a great experience with her curling irons and also her brushes. So I'm really excited. There's a couple things I haven't tried from her. So I know the clips and all those things that people really love. I can't wait to try those. But she's done such an amazing job with hair. She is such an amazing woman boss.